Hello, my name is Kaviraj Guduru, and I'm going to guide you through a website I've created, which is Basic Skills in ICT. The purpose of this website is to provide access to the course content of our training program in Basic Skills in ICT. It allows our students to access the course materials on devices such as laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. It contains a quiz page that has questions with feedback. It has external links to Google Forms that help students to self-assess their levels. The video will guide you through the website. The URL to this video is given below and is available in the description section of this video as well. So this is how the home page looks. You can look at the various chapters that are being covered. So you just need to click on one chapter to see how the content looks like. So we are going to look at the first one, overview of the computer system. So once you go to the various chapters, this is how the menu will be organized. So from here you can go back to home or go to any other chapter you wish to go to. And here I have used Google Slides to record the slides, and this is how the slides move. You just need to click here. I'll show you another example. This is the input section about input output. So again, the menu is organized on the top, so you can easily locate where you want to go, and here you have the slideshow playing. Now let's go to the quiz. So first you have to enter your name. Then your name or your scores are not recorded. It just helps the system gets acquainted to you, and the responses will be a bit more customized. So you have various questions from each chapter. So you have MCQs and you have fill in the blanks. So once you answer and click on submit, you have a feedback that will come here. This is where the feedback will go. This is where the feedback will go, and you just need to click submit so the feedback comes. Then we have a sort of fill in the blanks as well, so where you have to write the answers here. So just one reminder, you have to write it as it is, so don't use capital letters at the start. So once you have the quiz, you can click on the submit button here. The submit button is here, and then once you click on submit, your total score will appear here, and the feedback will appear whether it is correct or incorrect. You can also click on the additional resources, as I said, to link to an external page. So you have to fill your email address and your answers, your name, and then you answer the various questions. Okay, the same is for the other one, input and output devices. So once you answer all, you click on submit here. Then you'll get an email. At the same time, we'll be giving you customized feedback on open-ended questions. That's why you need your email and your name. So I use Trinket to create this website. So in case you're interested, this is how Trinket looks like. This is where my HTML is found, and this is how the content will look on the page. To share it, I have gone to share and gone to publish. In case you want to show the code also, you have to click on link. Don't forget to click on save so that all the changes are displayed. This is where if you want to go to Trinket and try it by yourself, this is where you have to go, and there the page will guide you to how to develop your own website. So it's from my part. Happy learning.